What's up, you guys? Today I am going to be doing some patchwork on my the dump body. I recently put a new floor down, but the sides are kind of rotted out. I'll see if I can get you a little shot of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some strips along the side and weld them down. I'm just trying to get some temporary work done to this truck. I only want to keep it for this year, or I want to keep it, but to actually haul gravel and stuff just to get through this year. Hopefully I'll buy another truck, a newer truck. So today I'm just going to do some patchwork, and we'll see how it goes. All right, some patchwork that I did here. Other patchwork there. Now I'm going to be working on this here. This broke off, and I did some welded a little bit on the back side. So I got to put a support piece here. Put a support piece here and weld it together, and I have to do the same on the other side. So here I put these pieces so that this board doesn't fall off. You can see it won't blow out. Same on this side. Now I'm no welder. I learned on my own, so still learning. But it's a do-it-yourself type of work. So this is what I used. It's a Miller 140 with the tank, and it's a great machine, except I was plugging it into a 15 amp circuit, and it kept constantly tripping. So it took me a lot longer because of that. It was constantly tripping, but overall it works great. Probably with less steel, a thinner steel, or maybe if I had a bigger breaker or more amps. But overall, it's a great machine. All right, so that was a short video of some welding that I did. Again, I'm self-taught when it comes to welding. I've never had any teachings for welding, so everything that I do is pretty much self-taught. So that job, I had got it quoted from somebody to do it for, somebody wanted to like $3,500 to put a new floor. So I already had a welder. I just didn't know whether if the welder was, strong enough to do it. But I did it anyways. Took a long time because of, it's not heavy duty welder. But nonetheless, I got the job done. I think the steel, I bought 4 sheets of steel. I think I paid almost $700, about $700 for 4 sheets, 4x8s. I got a plasma cutter, so I cut them with that. I also have a chop saw, gas powered, so I use that too. And then the welding. So overall, I think I might have, between the wire, buying more heavy duty wire, 0.35 wire, and then the gas, I'm probably into it, maybe $900 maybe. So overall, I saved myself quite a bit of money just doing it myself. Although it did take much longer, but the season hasn't started for me yet, so I'm supposed to be starting probably in about another week or so. So it gave me time to get it done. So hope you guys like it. If you can, subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, and I'm going to try to do more videos. I have a 1994 triaxle dump truck. It's old. It's time to start doing a lot of work to it, you know, updating some stuff. So little by little I'll be updating it, and I'll record it, and I'll post it. All right guys, thanks, bye.